Performance. The Oculus Go launches in a somewhat interesting climate for virtual reality, at least in terms of users' expectations. With the medium still in its relative infancy, what should users expect from what's being billed as a relatively affordable entry point to VR, especially if they've yet to try one of the pricey high-end headsets? Because, despite its £199 price tag, the Oculus Go gives even the premium competition a run for its money. While it may lack the Dev Studio cloud of Sony's headset, we were shocked to find that it offered a comparable experience to the PlayStation VR headset when the Go was pushed to its limits. The Go in effect raises the stakes for all looking to develop VR hardware. As a standalone unit, it wipes the floor with the likes of Google Cardboard and even its own cousin, and also Oculus developed, the Samsung Gear VR, while pushing what we should now come to expect for our money from the more expensive headsets, too. Before talking up the surprisingly impressive performance aspects of the Oculus Go, however, it may be worth pointing out its most considerable limitation. The Oculus Go makes use of an orientation-only movement system. In other words, while you can turn your head and view a 360-degree world, and have your controller tracked within it, you can't move through the virtual space. If there's something in the distance happening on screen, physically walking towards it won't bring it any closer, nor will leaning into the space ahead of you. As such, it's a bit more like being in a fighter pilot's cockpit than, say, the freely tracked movements of the HTC Vive or Oculus Rift. It's equally worth noting, though, that the Go is designed to be an entry point for the VR curious, and so, if they've never used a VR headset before, may not even realize the extra dimensional element that is missing.